Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Welcome to my city, where rules don't matter in driving. Have fun counting the idiots here. He saved 2 seconds. Average experience on Indian roads. Could have been worse. This bus driver drives into oncoming traffic lane to cut around me. Biker falls asleep. Hopefully he is okay. Not sure what this guy was trying to accomplish. Am I dreaming, or this is real?
Ok, parce qu'en vrai... What? Pardon? J'ai rien dit, j'ai regardé,
Maybe I was a bit melodramatic with the brakes, but still pretty close. How do these people get their driver's license? This driver couldn't wait 5 extra seconds to get to the red light ahead and smacks a car parallel parking. Why are you pulling out of a lane without checking? yielded a green light to an emergency vehicle and got rear-ended. Wrong-way driver on Southern State Parkway, genuinely baffled on how they could have possibly done this.
Sometimes not going to be successful. Of course, there's been across the country, just as it was with Black Lives Matter. Some people now don't.
I tried to warn her not to go. Poor judgment, or just an idiot. There are a lot of things I can fix, but stupid isn't one of them. I know I'm not the best driver out there, but this is just reckless. Two drivers apparently having an argument on the bridge on the highway? Nice. Yielding when you have your own lane for it to merge into one lane. Caffeine made me a bit of a road rager today, and if that makes me an idiot, I'll take it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.